Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to relax your fingers if they feel cramped. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 4 steps for relaxing your fingers and getting rid of that cramping feeling. It's very common for your fingers to feel cramped if you are doing things with your hands all the time, if they're very confined all the time. So these are things that will allow you to sort of get them to feel relaxed and loosen them up a little bit. So let's get into this, okay? 4 steps. Step 1 is stop holding anything that you might be holding. If you are holding something, you have to release it. No matter what it is, small, big, soft, hard, whatever you're holding, you got to stop holding it. In order for your hands and your fingers to stop feeling cramped and to start feeling more relaxed, you got to release whatever's in your hand. So put it down in a safe place and, make sure obviously you can't stop holding it. Like make sure you're allowed to put it down. And when you're allowed to put it down and you can safely put it down somewhere and have your hand holding nothing at all. That's the first step. Moving on to step number 2. Step number 2, open your hands. So instead of closing them, you have to open them. Now, if your hands feel cramped and your fingers feel cramped, it might actually be a little bit uncomfortable to open them. So just, if it feels uncomfortable, open them slowly at your own pace. Maybe you're like this and you open them a little bit more and then your hands get used to this and a little bit more, but you want to continue opening them until you get them to like a somewhat open state. They don't have to be fully open, but you got to get into at least like a somewhat open state. So try and slowly but surely to whatever your comfort level is. Don't exceed your comfort level. Just open them. And like I said, the longer that you take to do this, the more comfortable that it's going to be for you to do this. Don't put yourself in any position of pain or discomfort. You don't want to be in pain or discomfort, but obviously stay within your comfort zone and open your hand as much as you can while staying within your comfort zone. Okay? That's 2. Step number 2. Moving on to step number 3. Step number 3, let your fingers be, okay? And that means not letting them be completely straight and not curving them, just letting them be. When I say let your fingers be, you might want to go like this. That is not letting your fingers be. You're putting strain on your hand. I know you might feel like you want to do that, right? Because your fingers feel cramped like this. You might want to go like this. No, don't do that. Just let them be. Look at my fingers. My fingers are completely relaxed. Okay, you want to let them be, whatever that is. For some of you, that might look more like this. For some, that might look more like this, depending on how cramped your fingers are. But just let them be. Okay, when you get your hand open, you want to let them be. Let your fingers be, not completely straight, not curving them inward. Just however they rest, let them rest. Look at this. However they rest, just let them rest. Very simple. Okay, last but not least is step number 4. Step number 4 is shake your hands gently. So when you have your hand open and it's not holding anything and your fingers are just relaxed like this, you want to shake your hand gently. Nothing crazy. We're not waving like this. No, just gently. Just shake your hand gently. Just like that. Literally, just kind of like shake it out in terms of like any cramping feeling. You want to circulate the blood flow by doing this. You want to create some movement. You want to get your fingers a little bit stretchy and wobbly by doing this. Just shake your hand. That's the final step. And that's it. Honestly, if your fingers feel cramped, that's what you can do to make them feel relaxed. Easy steps. And that's all. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.